Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products for the walk-in system, walk-in freezers, or walk-in refrigerators. This is a condenser coil systems. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall length will be 68 inches. And the overall depth will be 21 inches. Include front fan covers and back have a coppers about 3 inches. And the overall height is about like a 27.5 inches. And the units can handle about like a 4,500 cubic foot for these units. And let's take a look at the freezer, refrigerator, the compressor system. Take a look at the overall size first. The overall length will be 43.5 inches. And the overall height is almost 50 inches. And the overall depth about like a 20 inches. They also have a coppers on the side. It's about like a 2 inches. And as you can see on the side, we're having the model stickers right here, and also the compressors, the freon, the diameters right here. And you can see the front doors, they have a lockers, and you can push out. As you can see, we have a diagram right here for the all wire connections, and also the recess right here, and the compressor at the bottoms. They all using the coppers. Pretty nice. And if you have details, just contact with us. And you can close the door and lock it. And there is a capillary tube sensors right here. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.